Welcome guys, you are watching Backbench Classroom Easy to Do. Today in AutoCAD we are going to draw a simple plan and elevation of house wiring. So let's start. First we are going to set up the page with the help of MV setup. So enables paper paste. No, I am not going to enable this paper paste. So now it will going to be asked me about the enter the unit type. So unit type we are going to enter the metric. In metric form we have to enter the scale factor. We consider the scale factor as 1 and then we are going to use the paper width. So for paper width, in case of if we used A4 page, then it height and width should be 210 to 297. Now as I am going to be draw this picture as portrait mode, going to draw this picture as landscape mode, so that is why our width should be maximum 297 and the height of the paper should be 210. So the page is already set. Now we are going to draw this figure, this plan first. So in plan we can clearly see that we have a power socket button, 2 lamps and we have a fan. So first I take a rectangle, then specify the first corner point. Now I have to give the dimension of that particular rectangle. Then I have to specify the length for the rectangle. As we can see, the length is taken is 5 into 4. So first I am considered the length of the rectangle as 5 and then width as 4. And then we get our rectangle here. So this is the parameter rectangle for our domestic purpose. Now I have to make the thickness of this particular rectangle. So thickness of this rectangle, I can draw it with the help of a rectangle, or I also draw it as the thickness should be 0.5 meter for throughout this rectangle, and it will going to placed in the inner circle of the or inner part of the that particular rectangle. So let's start. First give the dimension. So as it is, now we have to draw this small space of the height. So this is 2 meter, 0.5 meter. This 0.5 meter stands for door, and then 2.5 meter from this 5 meter part. So let's first specify the area. So I clicked here, then I will going to be extend the length. So first one is from this side is 2 meter, so write 2 and we get a 2 meter space here. Then again we have a door of 0.5 meter, so go to dimension, take linear, starts from here and 0.5, enter. We get a dimension of 0.5 meter. Then the last, the rest is 2.5 meter, so go dimension again, take the linear and this should be the 2.5 meter. Okay, done. So this is the door area, and now leaving that door we have to make the inner part. So I simply take a straight line and make the inner part. So this length should be 0.5, enter. So we make the length here and again we go the line and make a length here as 0.5, enter. Now the inner part of the door is made. Now what we have to do, so the thickness of the wall is 0.5. So from this end, if we take 0.5 distance subtract, we make 0.5 distance subtract, then we actually get the width. So if this is 2, that means the length of this one should be 1.5. So I am making 1.5, enter. So this part is done. Now we have to do in this part. So this is 4 meter, so it will be 0.5 is subtracted here, 0.5 subtracted here, so this space will be 3 meter. So 3 space. Again from here in this part again 1 meter is subtracted, so it will be 0.4, sorry 4. So and then in this part this is total is 4, so it will be 3. And then we make the border. Now we have to make the window. So I am just considering a single window in this side. See, now in the main part means the electrical wiring part. So we can clearly see we have to place a power socket, a fan and 2 light there. So first place the power socket here, 0.25 meter apart from this side. So first we will make the dimension and find out the 0.25 meter distance here. So this is the 0.25 meter distance. From here on we will going to be draw the power cycle with the help of a rectangle. So first I am going to specify the first point. Say the dimension of the power socket is 1 square meter. So this should be specify the dimension d enter. Now specify the length of the rectangle. Say I am considering it as 0.5. Enter. Now I have to specify the width of the rectangle, say 0.5. Enter. So we get a rectangle here. So it will going to be represent the power socket. So the sign of power socket should be a circle is here. So this is 0.5. So diameter should be 0.5. 0.25 radius. So 0.25. Enter. Now we will going to be trim this one. Fine. And another sign of power socket is select this one and mirror this one. So modify into mirror. This is the midpoint and we will draw. We will keep our source object. So the power socket is done. Now we have to draw the lights. So as the lights are in these two halves, so I am considering that these two are in the midpoint, so 2 meter apart. So first specify the dimension of 2 meter. So this is the midpoint and we will draw a lamp here. See, this one is 0.5. Enter. So line is made. Now we have to make the light. So I am going to take a circle, put it here and going to draw a rectangle in between here by making the radius of 0.25. Now I will trim the rest part. So T R enter is a command and I am going to replace this part. So now I am going simply make a mirror of this one. So I select these two and I am going to make a mirror of this one. I will keep my source object. So this is done. Now through this midpoint I am going to draw this particular fan. So I simply copy this rectangle and made it here. and we are going to the mirror of this one. Keeping my source object. So fan is also done. So this is the plan. Now I have to write so plan is made. Now we are going to make the elevation of this particular figure. So the elevation should be besides of this one. So the one top of the elevation should be the roof and other one is our floor. So first we take a polyline to make the roof. So we fix our width. Say this is 0.5. Now ending of the width is also 0.5. And say we take it as next point of the width. We are consider the length as 5 meter. So this is done. Now so the dimension of this one should be five. Now say the height of the room is 3 meter. So specifying the height should be the height. So we are going to make another polyline here. So width should be the starting point to width say consider as 0. Enter. Ending point width is 0. Enter. And next point, that means I have to consider the length here. Say length is 5. So here we get the bottom also or the roof also. Now we have to make this wiring diagram. So make this wiring diagram. First we have to consider from this particular figure we can say that the joint box is 0.5 meter below the roof The switchboard is 2 meter below the roof and the rest part is 1.5 meter from that particular 3 meter. So first make the dimensions here. So from this point it will be 0.5 meter. So then the next will be 1.5, that means 2 meter. And then rest is the so now first decide the first corner point also. So say the joint box is from one side, as we already drawn a figure here, and you can see that the power socket box is this after this 1.5 and half meter away. So by measuring this one we have to measure the where we place this one. So first we have to make the half of this one. So in going to dimension, linear dimension, and we will take the midpoint. So this is the half, and then from one side of this 0.25 meter apart there will be the power socket and joint box. So the dimension should be from this side 0.25, enter. So from here on there will be a 1 meter joint box. So and it will be above 1 meter height. So we will take a rectangle. So I am simply drawing the rectangle by copying from our plan. And I am going to be put this one here. By moving this one. Now this one should be 1 meter above. So by moving again, we can place this one. Now this is the switchboard. So again we have to draw the joint box. So again we are going to copy and place the joint box. in that line. So now again we have to make the other half. Now this length should be 0.5. Now we have to mirror this one for other side. So I am going to be modify and mirror this one. Keeping the source object. Okay, so now we have to put the light. So simply we are going to put the light, copying from here. Okay, now the final line, this line is remains. So two adding diagram, one is phase and other one is neutral. So simply we are going to be made this one as copy, Control C and Control V, and we place this one. Now as this one is phase and other one is neutral, so we have to make this one as a neutral sign. So okay, fine, we have made the plan. Now we have to give the name for this elevation. So plan and elevation of from these two wiring diagram is shown. Now if you wish, then you can give the name of this light L1, this light L2, this one is fan, this one is power socket, this one is switchboard, this one is joint board, etc., etc., and complete the figure. Thank you for watching.